Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can assign the live speech shortcut to the action button on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Action button. Next, in here, swipe across until you see it says Accessibility, and then tap on the drop-down list. From the list, scroll down to the bottom, and then tap on Live Speech. In here, you will see that it shows Live Speech, which means we have successfully assigned the Live Speech shortcut to the Action button. Now to turn on live speech, just press and hold on the Action button, and that will turn on live speech. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.